Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial. I hope you're doing good. I'm interested to hear about what your morning routine looks like. Are you a regimented person that does the same thing every single morning, regardless of whether it's a weekend or a weekday? Or are you somebody that just kind of flies by the seat of your pants and does whatever needs to be done that morning? So let's get ready. I've already done my morning skincare. I am vitamin C and used my brightening eye serum to help with those dark circles and a little bit of depuffing eye serum because those eyes are puffy this morning. So let's hop in. I'm going to go in with my Belif VDL Lotion Primer. So it's got that Belif Aqua Bomb in it that I love, and it has the primer built in. So it takes out a step. I'm all about less steps. I'm going to go up because we don't want to help gravity sag our faces. We want to go up. You can already see a little bit of a glow. Very cool. So when I was thinking about this, I was like, Cashmere Complexion. I'm a very regimented person. So I tend to do the same things every morning. I do my prayers, I do my devotion, I take my shower, I get my boys up, which they take medicine, so I have to be on their medicine schedule. Give them their medicines, get them up and dressed. It's pretty much the same thing every morning. But on the weekends, I change things up because I don't have as many things in my office that I need to do. And I like to clean house in my gown. Do those deep cleaning things on the weekends. I know it's weird. Everybody's different, right? Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream. Good morning, Cindy. How are you, dear? We are going to, I forgot. I did not do my skincare at the beach like I should have. And look what the result is. I'm telling you, having that good skincare regimen is so important. So we're gonna just pat those out with a little bit of Cashmere Complexion there. And let that do its magic. So Cindy, tell me about your morning skincare regimen. Do you, not morning skincare regimen, your morning regimen. Do you do the same things every day or do you change it up every morning? So I have a friend and she's like, I can't do the same thing every day. I have to do something different. It drives her insane to do the exact steps every morning. I guess for me, it's just more systematic and it makes my mornings more simple if I do the exact same thing every morning. I have a friend that as soon as she wakes up by the alarm on her coffee maker. Apparently it beeps at her, and as soon as it goes off, it starts brewing, and that's her wake-up call. I'm not a coffee drinker. I know so many people, I cannot believe she doesn't drink coffee. She is not my people. But apparently this does it for her. So, I think we all have different things that trigger us and make our engines roll. How about that? All right. We are going to use Tattoo Station on these brows. So a way to simplify your life is to have a good schedule for your morning routine. So the night before, I know this is probably, people are like, oh, Jennifer, that's crazy. I will make a list. Oh, now that I'm up closer, I need to pat that out a little bit more there. The night before, I will make a list of the things I need to get accomplished the next day and try to get up, do my morning regimen, my daily devotion, my shower, get the boys' meds going, get them up and going. And then I try to tackle the hardest thing on my list first. because I am a professional procrastinator, and if I can avoid hard things, I will. So I have been learning using that 5-second rule, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-second rule, and going to do the hardest things on my list first. Whether it's calling a doctor's office, making an appointment, whatever it is, I'm doing the hardest thing first so that it's off my list, and then I can get the rest of the things done through the day. So it's pretty simple, but it's what I do. Magix dust, we're going to use a little bit of powder. So try my method. If you find yourself being a procrastinator and you're like, I don't want to do the hard stuff, then try this. Make your list and do the hardest thing on your list first, and see if that helps you to have a more productive day. And it usually will, because once you've done the hardest thing on your list, guess what? The other stuff doesn't seem so bad. Okay. We're just using that Magix dust. My day goes by what I have. Me too. Me too. I do think that I tend to change things up during the day, but that morning routine, you know, your shower, your makeup, your hair. Typically I dry my hair before I go live, and this morning I didn't feel like it. I was like, nope, not today. We are going to go on with wet hair. Khaki style Aqua. I love this Aqua. It is so pretty. So we're going to go in with one first, that top color, and do our base here and get that covered. You know, not everybody wakes up and puts makeup on every day. That's not their routine. I have one of my team members, bless her heart, she's like, oh, I put my makeup on about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm like, okay, 2 o'clock in the afternoon is your time? You go, girl. By 2 o'clock in the afternoon, if I don't have makeup on, I'm not putting it on. Getting out of bed, that is the hardest. Yes, that's where that 5-second rule comes into place. We're going to go in with 2 and pick up a little bit of 3 here. As soon as your alarm goes off, count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and get up. That is the best trick I have learned, because I'm with you. That getting up part is probably the hardest, for sure. Oh, I love this green that this khaki style is pulling. It's going to be really good with brown eyes. It could even pull with a blue eye. I'm just working it in that crease. I haven't used this quite in a while. It's a pretty color. I'm going to balance this out just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go in, good morning, Charlene, with that 4, and I'm just going to pull it out here. Just adding a little to that wing. Woo, girl. Girl. Okay, we're going to tamper this down with just a little bit of 1. Bringing that back out here. Just going to kind of temper it down just a little bit. Blend in it. Okay. That is pretty. SuperExtend liquid liner. Let's line and see what we get. Okay, Charlene, what is your morning routine like? Do you get out of bed fast? Do you have a thing that you do in the mornings? Or are you just kind of a fly by the seat of your pants girl? A lot of times my children dictate what my morning routine is like too. Okay. I think it works. I like that color. What do you guys think? Are you liking that? Okay, let's curl these lashes and then we'll do some love on them. Okay, You can probably even tell in my makeup routine that I am pretty routine and scheduled in how I do things. I'm not saying that my way is the right way. I'm just saying it works for me. Okay. That mascara is loving on those lashes. There we go. I usually hit snooze once. Then I get up as soon as it goes off again and make my bed. Oh, that is awesome. That is a good point. Once you make your bed, you can't get back in it. That is a fabulous point, Charlene. I like that. I need to start doing that too. Okay. Love mascara. I'm horrible about not making my bed in the mornings. But I love your thought process here. We're going to have to pick that up and adopt that. Okay, so what do you think about those eyes? I think it's okay. I think we like it. Let's use our Queen Carnation blush, the Love blush, and do just a pop of color. Okay, here we go. It's kind of bold, so I'm just going to pat it out here. Put a little bit there and a little bit there. I went a little bit darker than I wanted, so cool. I'm just going to take that beauty blender that I have my foundation on and just blend it out just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Let's pull a Mattitude today. I'm feeling a Mattitude. How about... everything's falling. We'll do Respect. I love Respect, and it's a good neutral color to kind of tone down what we did on those eyes. What color is the eyeshadow? I did the Aqua in khaki style. Khaki style. Right there. So, that is those eyes. Definitely bold, but I think we can pull it off. I think we can do it. So, that is our quick morning routine. I hope that you have a great day. I hope that your plans go beautifully and that you're able to accomplish everything that your heart desires today. Make that morning routine. Use that 5-second rule, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get up, get it done, and quit, quit procrastinating. Get those things done that you need to do. I'm amazed at the ease you use the eyeliner. Mine looks like I'm trying to... I have practiced a lot with that eyeliner, so keep practicing. Oh, the blush is Queen Carnation. Queen Carnation in the new Love. There it is. It's really pretty. And you can use this to kind of temper it down. Message me if you want more information on it. So y'all have a fabulous day. Thanks for getting ready with me. If you want more information on any of these products, message me. I will hook you up. If you want more ideas on your morning routine, I'll share some of my tips with you. So message me, drop it below, or message me and I'll send them over. And share this video because sharing is caring and somebody else needs these tips to help them have a better morning. So we'll see y'all later. Bye guys.